Am I the asshole for helping underaged cousin? I, 20F, was babysitting my cousin, Lisa, 13F, last weekend. At lunchtime, Lisa asked me to look at a pimple on her back. She said her mom, my aunt, wanted her to leave it alone, but it had been hurting for a week. I agreed and had Lisa sit at the table. When I pulled up her shirt, I saw a giant hamster-sized pimple on her back. It was so swollen and had a white tip, meaning it was ready to pop. I suggested taking a picture and sending it to her mom first. Lisa agreed. I said if her mom didn't reply by 2 p.m., I would pop it. Her mom didn't reply, so I grabbed alcohol wipes, bandages, and Q-tips, along with a blue diabetic needle, the small ones to help test your blood sugar. If you know, you know. Anyways, I then explained what I was gonna do before I leaned Lisa against the dining table and cleaned the area. And immediately, pus came out, and I removed a hard piece under her skin. I cleaned her back again and put on a bandage. Lisa complained of soreness and took a pain reliever. Her mother came home 3 hours later. She immediately went to check on her daughter, but when Lisa explained what happened, my aunt lost